Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us.
Indentured servitude refers to a contract between two individuals in which one person worked not for money, but exchanged for the price of passage to America. Indentured servitude, popular in the United States in the 1600s, was essentially a kind of barter system. Douglas people is Caribbean people who are of mixed African and Indian descent. In Guyana, Afro-Guyanese and Indo-Guyanese make up half of the population and Douglas 15%. Indo-Jamaicans or Indian Jamaicans are the descendants of people who came from the Indian subcontinent to Jamaica and are the descendants of citizens or nationals of Jamaica, along with the Chinese and Arabs. Due to deteriorating socio-economic conditions in British India, more than 36,000 Indians came to British Jamaica as indentured laborers under the Indian indenture system. Between 1845 and 1917, the first ship carrying workers from India landed at Old Harbour Bay. In 1845, 200 men, 28 women under 30, 33 children under 12 years old from various villages in northern India. People arriving from India to Jamaica increased to 2,439 in only 3 years. The government scheme is examined. It's working. The laborers were divided into groups of 20 or 40. One suit of clothing, tools and cooking pots. Portland, St. Thomas, St. Mary, Clarendon, and Westmoreland. Here they would work for a shilling a day and live in barracks. The program resumed in 1859 and continued until the outbreak of World War I. Although by the 1870s stories of the hardships suffered by Indian indentured workers were causing disquiet in the world. Jamaica, Trinidad, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, Grenada, St. Kitts, St. Croix, Guadeloupe, Martinique, British Guiana, now Guyana, Dutch Guiana, Suriname, French Guiana, and Belize. Indian indentureship to the Caribbean ended 1917.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us.